Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest their desires so effortlessly while you're stuck in the same cycles? Maybe you feel like something is blocking your dreams, even though you know exactly what you want. What if there were a powerful technique that could help you break through those barriers and truly shift your reality? In this video, I'm going to share a visualization secret that doesn't just clarify your goals but actually brings real results into your life. Imagine being able to manifest your dreams, align your thoughts and feelings, and see positive changes unfold. Stick around because what I'm about to reveal could be the missing step to turning your dreams into reality. Now that you're here, let's dive into why this technique is different and why it has the power to change your life. Visualization, at its core, is a way of creating mental images of your goals. An approach that many people use to boost motivation, clarify intentions, and focus their energy on what they want to achieve. But this technique goes even deeper. It's not just about seeing what you want in your mind. It's about feeling it, embodying it, and aligning with it on every level. Imagine this. You're not only picturing your dream life, but you're also feeling the emotions, sensing the details, and truly experiencing the outcome as if it's already yours. This practice connects your mind and emotions, which helps break down the invisible barriers that may be holding you back. It's a process of tuning your inner world to match the reality you want to create. The best part? This technique doesn't require complex rituals or hours of practice each day. It's designed to be simple, powerful, and effective so that you can incorporate it into your daily routine without hassle. By consistently applying this technique, you'll notice a shift, a gradual alignment between your intentions and your reality. Whether you're trying to advance in your career, improve relationships, or find personal peace, this visualization method works with your mind and emotions, turning abstract dreams into achievable goals. Through this practice, you'll start attracting opportunities, gaining clarity, and feeling empowered to take the steps needed to shape your future. Let's talk about the challenges that often stand in the way of reaching our goals. Many people start their journey with strong intentions, but somewhere along the way, they encounter obstacles that slow them down or even cause them to give up. Does this sound familiar? Perhaps you've set goals before but found yourself feeling unclear about what you truly want. Or maybe you struggle with self-doubt and fear, which hold you back from pursuing your dreams fully. One of the biggest hurdles people face is a lack of clarity. Without a clear vision, it's easy to feel lost or unfocused, and that confusion can lead to frustration. When your goals aren't sharply defined, every step forward seems uncertain, making it difficult to muster the energy and motivation needed to keep going. This lack of direction can leave you feeling like you're drifting without purpose. Another common challenge is self-doubt. Even when you know what you want, there's often a voice inside questioning your worthiness or ability to achieve it. These mental and emotional blocks, whether it's fear, doubt, or past disappointments, create invisible barriers that keep you from making progress. Instead of moving forward, you might find yourself stuck in patterns of hesitation, overthinking, or settling for less than what you truly desire. And then there's the issue of external obstacles, distractions, competing priorities, or the pressures of daily life. Sometimes, it feels like no matter how hard you try, there's always something standing in your way. You might start out strong, but over time these external pressures can wear you down, making it hard to stay committed to your goals. The visualization technique I'll be sharing is designed to address each of these challenges. By practicing this method, you'll gain the clarity, confidence, and focus needed to overcome both internal and external obstacles. This isn't just about dreaming big. It's about equipping yourself with the tools to break through the mental, emotional, and practical barriers holding you back. Now let's get into the heart of this technique, the secret that makes this form of visualization so powerful. Most people think visualization is simply about imagining the things they want, like playing a movie in their mind. But to truly shift your reality, it's not enough to just seek your dreams. This technique is about creating a complete sensory and emotional experience that resonates with your mind and body at a deep level, bridging the gap between imagination and reality. Here's how it works. Instead of merely picturing an outcome, you immerse yourself in the experience as though it's already happening. Imagine you're reaching one of your biggest goals. What does that feel like? Close your eyes and start engaging all your senses. What do you see around you? What sounds are filling your ears? How does it feel physically and emotionally to have achieved this? The key is to go beyond the visual and tap into the emotional and physical sensations tied to that goal. This creates a vivid, almost tangible mental memory of something that hasn't happened yet, which can profoundly influence your subconscious mind. Why is this approach effective? The brain doesn't easily distinguish between a vivid mental experience and a real one. By creating a mental environment filled with the emotions, sounds, sights, and even smells of your achieved goal, you're effectively training your mind to feel that this new reality is possible and attainable. The more frequently you practice this deep visualization, the more familiar and real this goal becomes to your subconscious, which helps dissolve doubts and strengthens your belief in what you're aiming to achieve. This process also has a natural way of aligning your actions with your goals. When you regularly visualize yourself living the life you want, you're conditioning yourself to make decisions and take actions that support that reality. Over time, this consistent practice helps you build habits and make choices that bring you closer to your goals without feeling forced or unnatural. As you keep practicing this visualization technique, remember to be patient and kind to yourself. Sometimes, change happens gradually and small shifts can lead to big results over time. It's this commitment to the practice that reinforces the neural pathways in your brain, helping you build a mindset that's fully aligned with the reality you want to create. Ready to try it yourself? In the next part, I'll share some tips and tricks to make this practice even more powerful. You'll learn how to use this technique daily and maximize its impact, so stick around. Now that you understand the core of this visualization technique, let's talk about how to make it even more effective. Adding a few simple tips and tools can enhance your practice, making it easier to immerse yourself fully and keep your mind focused on the experience you want to create. First, use all 5 senses whenever possible. If your goal is, for example, to be more successful in your career, don't just imagine yourself in a new role. Think about the details. What kind of environment are you in? Maybe you hear the hum of an office or the sound of applause as you give a presentation. Feel the texture of the desk or chair, smell the coffee brewing nearby, and most importantly, connect with the emotions of pride, excitement, and confidence. This level of sensory detail makes the visualization more realistic and impactful. Another tip is to anchor your practice with specific times or cues. For example, you could dedicate 5 minutes each morning to this practice or use certain triggers, like the sound of an alarm, to remind you to take a few moments to visualize. By incorporating visualization into your daily routine, you'll reinforce your commitment and start building a habit, which makes it easier to stick with it over time. Using physical tools like a journal can also enhance your practice. After each visualization session, write down any impressions, thoughts, or emotions that came up. This not only helps reinforce the visualization but also allows you to track your progress and notice changes over time. You could even create a vision board that visually represents your goals, which serves as a constant reminder and strengthens your mental imagery. Finally, consider combining visualization with affirmations. Affirmations are short, positive statements about yourself and your goals, such as, "I am confident and successful in my career." When repeated in combination with visualization, affirmations can amplify the power of your practice by reinforcing the beliefs you want to cultivate. The more you visualize and affirm, the more natural it becomes to think and act in alignment with your goals. In the next section, I'll guide you through a quick, practical exercise to experience this visualization firsthand. Now, let's put this into practice with a quick visualization exercise. Take a comfortable seat, relax, and close your eyes. Think of a specific goal you have, something you truly desire, whether it's success in your career, a fulfilling relationship, or a sense of personal peace. Let this goal take shape in your mind, focusing on the details. Start by seeing yourself in a moment where this goal is fully realized. What do you see around you? Picture the setting, the people, or even the objects nearby. Now go a step further, engage your other senses. Imagine the sounds around you. Maybe there's a calm breeze, the sound of laughter, or the hum of background noise. Feel the textures, whether it's the fabric of your clothes or the handshake of someone you respect. Then shift your attention to your emotions. How does it feel to have achieved this goal? Let the sense of pride, joy, or peace wash over you. Allow yourself to fully experience the emotional state of accomplishment and satisfaction. Take a few deep breaths, soaking in the feeling of living this reality. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present moment, keeping that feeling with you. Remember, this is a practice you can return to every day. The more you do it, the stronger the connection becomes between your mind, emotions, and goals, aligning your inner world with the reality you want to create. In the next section, we'll explore the powerful benefits you can expect as you incorporate this technique consistently into your life. Now that you've experienced this technique, Let's look at the powerful benefits that can come from consistent practice. Visualization, when done deeply and regularly, isn't just a mental exercise. It's a process that reshapes how you see yourself, your goals, and your capabilities. Over time, this practice can lead to real, positive transformations in many areas of your life. One of the first changes you might notice is an increase in mental clarity. By regularly visualizing your goals with detail and intention, you train your mind to focus on what truly matters. This clarity helps you cut through distractions and stay aligned with your objectives, making it easier to prioritize decisions and take actions that support your vision. Instead of feeling scattered or indecisive, you start to build a clear, purposeful mindset. Another powerful benefit is enhanced confidence and self-belief. As you consistently visualize yourself achieving your goals, you create a mental framework that reinforces your belief in what's possible. This practice begins to replace old doubts and insecurities with feelings of capability and readiness. Visualization helps you embody the emotions of success, making it easier to approach challenges with a positive, empowered attitude. Moreover, this technique strengthens resilience and determination. Life will always present obstacles, but when you have a clear vision and have practiced feeling that success, you're less likely to be discouraged by setbacks. Visualization can serve as a mental anchor, keeping you grounded and motivated even when things get tough. You're more likely to push through challenges because you've built a strong emotional connection to your goals. Finally, visualization often leads to surprising, tangible shifts in your external reality. When you align your inner world with your desires, you start to notice opportunities and resources that were previously overlooked. Your interactions with others may change as your confidence and clarity become evident, attracting support or connections that further your journey. In the next part, we'll discuss some inspiring stories and testimonials, showcasing how this technique has worked for others and inviting you to share your experiences too. By now, you might be wondering, does this really work? You're not alone. Many people have tried this technique and experienced incredible changes in their lives. Some have shared stories of reaching career milestones they once thought were out of reach, while others have used visualization to improve personal relationships or find inner peace. Take, for example, a friend who was struggling with self-confidence in her job. After just a few weeks of daily visualization, she started to feel more empowered. Her interactions with colleagues shifted, and she found herself landing new opportunities that aligned with her goals. The simple act of visualizing success daily transformed her perspective and, over time, her reality. These stories aren't just motivational. They're a testament to the power of consistent, intentional practice. Visualization has worked for countless individuals, and now it's your turn to see what's possible. If you try this technique, consider sharing your progress in the comments. You never know who you might inspire along the way. In the final part, I'll leave you with a motivating call to action, inviting you to make visualization a part of your daily life. Now that you've seen how powerful visualization can be, I invite you to make this technique a part of your daily life. Commit to just a few minutes each day to immerse yourself in the experience of your goals, and let this practice guide you toward the future you desire. Remember, real transformation doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency and dedication, you'll start to see the effects in ways you never imagined. Take this first step today. Start visualizing your dreams, aligning your mind and emotions with your goals, and notice how opportunities, insights, and the right people start to show up in your life. Your journey begins with you and the decision to believe in your vision. If this video resonated with you, make sure to subscribe for more content like this and share your experiences in the comments below. Let's build a community of people committed to personal growth, manifestation, and creating the lives we want. Remember, the reality you're dreaming of is closer than you think. Now go make it happen.